Pine Tea Limited. Accident report form. Date of accident, time. Location of accident. Vehicle. Model, plate no, incident no. Driver, contact. Description. Describe how the accident occurred, including details of events leading up to the accident, weather conditions, road conditions, and any contributing factors. Injuries and damages. Describe any injuries sustained by individuals involved and damages to vehicles or property or infrastructure. Witnesses, if applicable. Ek name, contact. Dog name, contact. Accident report filed by. Name, date. Supervisor informed. Name, date. Additional comments. Signature, date. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get updates of new videos. Link is available in the description to copy the text of this video. Thanks for watching my video.